There's a point where cleaning technology stops feeling like a gadget and starts feeling like real convenience. And for many homes, the Yeedi Vac Station might be exactly that balance. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, the channel where we look beyond marketing claims and focus on products that genuinely improve daily life. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Yeedi Vac Station robot vacuum and mop, a self-emptying 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop designed for people who want cleaner floors with far less effort. If you're dealing with pet hair, daily dust, busy schedules, or simply want a smarter cleaning routine, this is a product worth considering. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. Reason 1. Truly low-maintenance cleaning. One of the strongest reasons to consider the Yeedi Vac Station is the self-emptying system. Instead of manually emptying the dust bin after every cleaning session, the robot transfers debris into a large 2.5-liter dust bag automatically. For many households, that means up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. In real-world use, this changes the ownership experience completely. It feels less like another chore and more like an automated home system quietly doing its job in the background. Reason 2. Strong everyday cleaning performance with 3,000 pascals suction power. The Yeedi handles daily debris confidently, including dust, crumbs, pet hair, and fine dirt trapped along edges and corners. What makes it especially practical is the combination of vacuuming and mopping in a single pass. The carpet detection feature is also thoughtfully implemented. It increases suction automatically on carpets while avoiding mopping those areas, helping protect rugs without requiring constant supervision. Reason 3. Slim design that actually matters. Unlike many bulkier LiDAR-based robot vacuums, the Yeedi Vac Station uses advanced visual navigation technology that allows for a slimmer body design. That may sound minor on paper, but in practice it helps the vacuum reach under sofas, beds, cabinets, and tighter furniture spaces more effectively. It also navigates narrow pathways with fewer interruptions, which contributes to more consistent cleaning coverage throughout the home. Reason 4. Smart mapping and custom cleaning control. The smart mapping system creates a digital layout of your home, allowing room-by-room customization directly inside the Yeedi app. You can schedule cleaning routines, set no-go zones, prioritize specific rooms, or customize cleaning preferences with just a few taps. For larger homes, the 200-minute runtime is another major advantage. And if the battery runs low, the robot automatically recharges and resumes cleaning exactly where it stopped. Reason 5. Reliable smart home integration. For buyers already using smart home ecosystems, Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility add another layer of convenience. Voice commands work well for quick cleaning requests, and the Wi-Fi connectivity keeps everything accessible remotely through the app. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the Yeedi Vac Station earns confidence not through flashy gimmicks, but through dependable daily usability. So, what's the final verdict? The Yeedi Vac Station is not trying to be the most expensive or overly complex robot vacuum on the market, and honestly, that works in its favor. While advanced users may still prefer premium LiDAR systems for ultra-detailed navigation, this model delivers a remarkably balanced experience for most households at a far more approachable level. It's best suited for busy families, apartment owners, pet owners, and anyone looking for a practical way to reduce daily floor cleaning without sacrificing performance. The combination of self-emptying convenience, smart mapping, vacuum and mop functionality, and strong runtime gives it long-term value that feels easy to justify. If you've been waiting for a robot vacuum that feels genuinely useful rather than overly complicated, the Yeedi Vac Station deserves a closer look. Thanks for watching Buy with Confidence, and as always, choose carefully, buy confidently, and invest in products that truly make everyday life easier.